In this video, we're breaking down a high-ticket, oversized, heavyweight product. Now, this is a product that most people are not selling conventionally, and this product is not getting conventional results. In fact, this seller, this company, this one SKU or ASIN is generating over $1 million per year. Now that's gross. Around net, they're gonna generate around $300,000 because typically we're seeing around 30%. But how did they find this product? What is this product? How can you find products similar to this? How can you build out a brand? How should you package it? What should your listing look like? And so on and so forth. Those are the questions that you may have if you're looking to start or grow an online Amazon business. And in this video, we're gonna answer all of those questions. This is another video in our series here only on YouTube, which is called 7-Figure Product Series. Hey, if you're new to the channel or you're returning to the channel and you're not yet subscribed, do that right now. Hit the subscribe button. Next to it, click the notification bell. And down below, let me know what was your favorite thing about this video. I read every single comment and I respond to them personally. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. So this product is huge. I don't know if you guys can tell by the way I'm in the camera, but this is a 6 foot by 3 foot product. It's oversized. It weighs about 70 pounds and it's fragile. So it literally has everything that you should not have in a product. Like all the gurus and everybody's telling you lightweight products that weigh under 5 pounds and products that fit in a shoebox, and you don't want fragile products. You also don't want high ticket products. And yes, to a certain extent, all of those things have some context. However, this product is near $1,000. This product is very fragile. This product is oversized and overweight, yet with this one product, they're killing it. That's why with our company, the AMZ formula, we say that you're only one product away. So this product is actually a recessed LED bathroom mirror. Now, this is a high-end product, and believe it or not, there is a huge demand for these products all across the country. So let's go ahead and dive into my computer and break down the data and some of the KPIs that my team have went ahead and pulled for us for this video. By the way, if you want access to this exact PDF with this SOP and a list of all these KPIs and links like the Amazon listing within the software, access to the software, the link to the software which we use, so on and so forth, down below, click that link, put your information in, it's absolutely free. Not only will you get this PDF, but you get all the PDFs, all the SOPs, and all the information for any video that we do in the 7-Figure Product Series. By the way, if you haven't, you want to subscribe right now. Make sure you have notifications on, because every single week currently we're reviewing a new product. Now guys, I spend tens of thousands of dollars per year. Like this product costs almost $1,000. I use my own money to buy the product so I could physically, literally open it, test the marketing, test the packaging, look at the product quality, and give you the constructive criticism and give you my professional input on what I would do differently and how you can find a product and scale a business to 7 figures with Amazon. So all I ask you guys is you like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment down below. So here you can see the average sales price in this industry is around $225. Now I told you this one was closer to the $1,000 mark. The reason why the average is $225 is because the big price difference comes from size. So we got one of the biggest ones that they offer. I think the next step is like 84 inches, and I think this one was 72 inches. So that lets me know that a majority of people who are in the interest for this type of product are buying smaller ones with that price point. But still, even the AMZ formula, typically I suggest products being under $49.99, because whenever you have a product that's over $49.99, it falls out of that impulse buying range. Now, what is an impulse buying range? When you're thinking about checking out or buying something, you may see something that sparks your interest or grabs your attention. You may say, oh, I like that, or I need that, or I want to try that. However, when you get above $50, you want to start to do your due diligence. Now, when I bought this product, I definitely researched other competitors, other price points, as well as different qualities, right? So you want to think about those things as well. Now, the gross is around $90,000. The net is around $27,000. The average annual revenue, just under $1.1 million. A question that we get all the time here on the channel is, well, if gross is not what you're taking home, we care about what we're taking home. What moolah is going in our bank account? Typically with these type of products, we're seeing around 30%. Can it be more? Absolutely. The more the better. Can it be less? Absolutely. But the medium around 25 to 30%, and we always try to shoot for more margin without decreasing the quality of the service or the quality of the product. Now, and we'll be checking out the listing in just in a second, but I want to look at the product summary. Here's the product summary. By the way, guys, if you want to pull this up in Jungle Scout and look at the other products and look at all the data. Down below on the channel and inside the PDF, which you can download for free, there is a link where you can grab this software at a slight discount. Those guys have been cool enough to give that to the viewers of the channel. But here you can see that the average daily sales are $3,150. Average daily units are around 14. That's how many units they're selling per day. Average monthly sales around 90,000. Average monthly units sold 404 with an average product cost of $50. Again, if you want to look at this chart, the link is down below. Make sure that you download the PDF, get access to the Rolodex of all the resources for not only this video, but all of the videos inside 7-Figure Product Series. Now, the top 10 keywords, and there's a few reasons why we like to look at these keywords. By the way, these reports are similar to the reports that we give our clients. At the AMZ Formula, we have a division called AMZ Together where we work with entrepreneurs and help them build their online Amazon business from step by step. We also have a division where we work with investors where we literally go out and build you a brand. We find you products, we build everything out on the back end, and we manage everything. And if you were within our company or working with our company, you will get a similar report. And the reason why we're looking at these keywords is for two reasons. Number one, we want to make sure that there is depth of market. What is depth of market? There's many different ways to verify depth of market, and you want to make sure you understand what depth of market is, because just because a product is selling today doesn't mean it will sell tomorrow. And one of the key ways that you can identify if a product has longevity, or what we call sustainability in the marketplace, is by identifying depth of market. So monthly search volume for bathroom mirror with lights is over 13,000 per month, and sponsored over 526. So people are typing this, people are clicking this, and it's something that people have been searching for. Another way that we can generate and determine depth of market and sustainability is by looking at trends, right? Or search volume. This is a historical analysis that we do, and you can use a free tool like Google Trends. Some softwares like Jungle Scout have this built in, but what we're looking for is we're looking for a nice horizontal chart. Now you see some fluctuations around different times of the year. Do not misinterpret a product that has fluctuations throughout different times of the year for specific reasons to a product that is seasonal or a product is trending. You want to make sure that you can understand the difference when you're looking at this historical chart. A trending product will show you something aggressive like this. A seasonal item will show you fluctuations and high peaks around specific times of the year. And a non-seasonal product that is sustainable is going to be a horizontal trend with some spikes in different times of the year, right? So that's what we're looking for in terms of depth of market and sustainability. Now, how did our team find this product? Now, full disclosure, I wouldn't recommend a beginner launching this product for multiple reasons. Number one, it's a high ticket product. High ticket products cost higher amount to manufacture, higher amounts to ship. Large products cost more to ship, more to store. So when you're looking at shipping fees, size and weight, and an actual like formula, size, weight, length by height, comes up with a figure which is called cubic volume. And when you're doing logistics overseas, internationally, when it comes to importing, that's the formula they're looking at, the cubic volume. Then once your product gets shipped to Amazon and Amazon stores your product, you're paying an FBA fee. FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and there's tons of things that they do for you, like store your product, pick it, pack it, ship it, use their own shipping label, and even handle customer service or customer returns. For that, they're going to charge you an FBA fee, right? So FBA fees on larger, heavier products cost more because this is what's called a team lift product. What does that mean? Even though you're strong enough to lift this product on your own, within Amazon's fulfillment centers, they will not allow a product that weighs over 50 pounds to be lifted by a single individual for obvious reasons. They don't want you to get hurt, right? So on and so forth. So that's a few things that you have to think about. But in order to find this product, the key components that we looked at was average monthly units sold of 400, minimum average monthly prices of 200. We excluded top brands, and in the category we looked in home and kitchen. So I talk here on the channel a ton about product research and different product research strategies. If you're doing product research or in your product research phase, make sure you check out those other videos after this one. And inside the AMZ Formula, any of our programs, product research, product development are by far the longest, most in-depth parts of the programs, if you were wondering that. Now, by the way, when it comes to product selection, monthly revenue around $250,000, just shy of $250,000. Reviews 28, which means this is a newer product. Selling price $700. Product weight 60 pounds. So I sit around 75 pounds, 60 pounds. Definitely over 50 pounds. Anything over 45, I believe they changed it from 50 to 45, is a team lift, which means you need 2 people to lift it, right? Now down below, here are all those related links like Amazon product page, product image, Jungle Scout Scout extension, top 10 keyword search volume, as well as the actual PDF and a discount code to Jungle Scout software, a software you can use to find these products. So again, this resource is free. Down below, make sure you click on the link that says the Rolodex or resources. That way you can get access to this, as well as this for all of the 7-Figure Product Series videos. All right, cool. So quickly before we actually open this box and dive into the quality of the product, the packaging, review the marketing, so on and so forth, we want to do a quick analysis of the actual listing. So right off the bat, you see that this brand has 28 reviews. So guys, there is definitely a blue ocean when it comes to opportunity to sell on Amazon. I cannot stress it enough. The well is not dry, the gold is not mined. There's over like literally 9 figures of people consuming on Amazon. There's over 250 million people shopping on Amazon every year, and there's less than 3 million sellers. It doesn't matter the price point, it doesn't matter the size, it doesn't matter if it's fragile or not. All products on Amazon sell. The true question is it going to sell and meet your criteria, your monthly revenue, your risk tolerance, your investment tolerance for starting? These are questions that you want to ask yourself, and you want to be very specific, because in order to have prolific results, you have to have specific intention. So here you can see the pictures are just okay. Big room for improvement. These are very generic. They look like they're photoshopped. Here they're showing benefits and features, and that's a key component to having good photos. In photos, you want to understand that a picture tells 1,000 words. In chronological order for conversion when it comes to sales, you have videos number 1, most effective every single time. You have pictures number 2, and number 3, you have literature, or you have words, paragraphs, right? Paraphrasing. So you want to be able to show key components, key elements, special features, functions, products being used. These are things that are going to help somebody form a buying decision, right? So here they're talking about the different types. They're talking about functions. They're talking about how you can support. It can be supported by a switch, or it can be plug-in. Here are the 3 different light functions it has: warm, natural, and whites. It also talks about it can be backlit from the front or backlit on the front and the back. So right off the bat, in today's society, people have low attention spans. So I've spent millions of dollars in advertising tied to video, and one thing I can tell you that I've learned over the years is, in the beginning, no one cares about your brand. You will never see an ad. And down below in the comments, let me know, have you seen an ad before? And if so, which one was your favorite? But you'll never see an ad of mine where it starts with a big logo with piano music. It's always right to the point. I'm gonna give you this. Are you interested in this? This is what my product does. This is why we are the best. So right off the bat, when we're starting this video, it's this animation of their logo with this piano music. Nobody cares about that, right? Now they're showing features, they're showing functions, they're showing quality, they're showing how the product's made, how the product's used. This is very good, and this is specific. So guys, this does not have to be a motion Pixar high production thing. You just want to focus on elements of conversion. When people want to see video, they want to see video for multiple reasons. Number 1, what is the sizing, for sizing accuracy? Number 2, what is the function? Number 3, what is the benefits? Number 4, will it work for me? What does it look like if I were to use it? These are things that you want to focus on if you have video. Now, by the way, bonus, how do you get video on your listing? In order to have video on your listing, you need to have access to enhanced brand content, and all you need to get access to EBC is brand registry. And to get access to brand registry, you have to have a registered trademark. You can do this your own, or you can go through an Amazon preferred member to expedite the process. More videos on the channel, and of course, inside of our community, the strongest Amazon community on the planet, we have resources for you that help you step by step live on Zoom calls do all of this, right? Moving right along, looks like they have 5-star reviews. They have a coupon for an extra 80 bucks. What I suggest with coupons is don't lose money on the coupon. Mark the price up and have an effective coupon. That's a nice strategy. Here they have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 different sizes. Now, if you were to launch a product like this that has size variations, how do you choose a size variation? How much do you get of every size variation? These are questions, and these are mistakes that most make. What I highly suggest is you do your due diligence and see what the top 3 purchased ones are, right? What are people buying the most of? What are people searching the most for? And you start with those 3, and then you progressively add on. Now, when you're adding variations off to the side of the ones that are highly searched and highly purchased, you want to order very small limits. It's better to run out of a variation limit than to order too much and no one buys it, and you have complacent, stranded inventory that is now costing you extended storage fees. All right, moving right along, you have about this item. And about this item, you just want to do more selling, more persuasive literature, benefits, features, and most importantly, keywords for keyword density when it comes to ranking and scaling your product. Moving right along, they have EBC, which is called A+ content. In order to have additional pictures, videos, or products for sale on the listing, all you have to do is be a part of enhanced brand content or brand registry. In order to do that, like I just told you, you need a trademark, you need to be brand registered. You can do that yourself, you can do that with an Amazon preferred program. Again, inside the AMZ flimsy formula. We help you do all of that. So that's the listing. That's how much the product is making. That's how long the product's been around, the product dimensions, the product sizes, the product reviews, and a full constructive criticism of the actual listing. Now it's time to go ahead and actually open this product and see what does this product look like and what's inside the packaging. How's the quality? How are they protecting this? What marketing are they doing? And what is this 7-figure product doing once you open the package?